tummy all the time. He likes to play on the trampoline. He likes to play on my bed, sit on my legs. He likes to go on me all the time. He likes to play with my feet all the time and go on me all the time and doesn't bounce. I don't like when he bounces. I like when he lies on me. I like when he lies on me. I like when my baby brother lies. I like when he lies on me. I like when my baby brother lies on me. He always is a joiner. He likes to join inside my legs. He likes to sit on my tummy. I like to make him fall all the joints. And